Once, some old retired doctors told me, "We used to rub Epsom salt and baking soda on this spot to quickly heal 10 health problems." I was truly surprised, but after researching, discussing, and consulting, I discovered the real power of this seemingly simple remedy. How could it deliver results in just a few days and solve issues that seemed long-standing? Let's begin. Improving blood circulation. Let me share something that might surprise you, my friend. This simple combination of Epsom salt and baking soda can do wonders for your circulation. You know, as we get older, or after a long day of sitting or standing, the blood flow in our legs and feet can slow down, leaving us feeling heavy, swollen, or even numb. It's something many of us deal with, but we rarely think of a natural, easy solution. That's where this remedy comes in. When you apply this mixture to your legs and feet, it's not just about soothing sore muscles, it's about stimulating your body's circulation. The magnesium in Epsom salt is known to help expand blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely, which means more oxygen reaches your cells. This increased circulation can help reduce any swelling, boost your energy, and even improve how your muscles recover after a long day. But here's the key. Focus on your feet and lower legs. Those are the areas where blood tends to pool, especially if you've been on your feet all day or sitting at a desk for hours. Massaging this blend into your skin helps invigorate your blood flow and brings that tired feeling in your legs to an end. Imagine soaking your feet in warm water mixed with Epsom salt and baking soda, letting your legs relax as the improved circulation starts to work its magic. It's a simple act, but the results are powerful. Not only will your legs feel lighter, but you'll also notice a sense of overall vitality returning to your body. This is especially helpful if you've been struggling with cold feet or that heavy, sluggish feeling in your legs. I know a gentleman who used to deal with swollen feet every evening, and after regularly applying this, he started noticing a real difference. His energy improved, and he felt more balanced throughout the day. So if you ever feel that sluggishness in your legs or feet, give this a try. It's one of those small steps that can make a huge impact on how you feel, helping you stay active and energized. Muscle fatigue and tension. You know, my friend, after a long, exhausting day, whether it's from running errands, almost standing on your feet all day, or even pushing yourself a little too hard during your workout, there's that familiar ache that settles into your muscles. It's the kind of discomfort we all know too well, those tight sore spots that refuse to let go, reminding us of the toll the day has taken. I remember an old doctor once sharing with me a remedy so simple, yet so powerful, that it's stuck with me ever since. Epsom salt and baking soda. It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, something magical happens when you rub this mixture into your skin. The magnesium in the Epsom salt goes straight to work on those tired, overworked muscles. It improves blood circulation, helps reduce inflammation, and brings you that sense of relief your body craves. When combined with the soothing properties of baking soda, it's like hitting a reset button for your entire body. After a long day, it feels like a gentle healing touch, helping your muscles unwind and relax. Now let me guide you through it. Focus on the areas where the tension seems to settle the most. Those stubborn knots in your neck and shoulders, the stiffness in your lower back, and don't forget your legs and feet, especially if they've been carrying you all day. As you gently rub the mixture into these spots, you'll feel the muscles start to loosen, almost like they're thanking you. The increased blood flow will bring much needed oxygen and nutrients to help speed up the healing process. I remember a friend of mine who used to complain about constant back pain after long days at work. After trying this remedy just a few times, he told me, it felt like the tension was just melting away. It's amazing how something so simple can bring such profound relief. So my friend, this is more than just a quick fix. It's a small, mindful act of self-care. Just imagine ending your day with this and taking a moment to care for yourself. Trust me, after a long day, your body will thank you, and you'll feel the stress and tension disappear, leaving you relaxed and refreshed. Sinus pain relief. You know, my friend, sinus pain can be one of the most stubborn and frustrating types of discomfort. That pressure building up in your face, especially around the nose and forehead, can make it hard to think, breathe, or even relax. But did you know that a simple mixture of Epsom salt and baking soda can offer some relief? By gently massaging this blend onto your face, especially around the nose and sinus areas, it helps stimulate circulation and reduce inflammation. The warmth of the mixture combined with the natural properties of the Epsom salt helps to loosen up the congestion, easing that heavy, stuffed-up feeling. Focus on the areas where the pain feels the worst, across your forehead, around your nose, and even under your eyes. As you massage it in, you'll start to feel the pressure easing, allowing you to breathe more freely and experience less discomfort. It's a gentle, natural way to give your sinuses the relief they need, reducing swelling and bloating. You know, my friend, one of the most uncomfortable feelings is when your body holds onto excess water, causing swelling in areas like your feet, legs, or even your hands. Whether it's from standing too long, sitting in one position for hours, or even from certain health conditions, that bloated, puffy sensation can really weigh you down. It's not just a matter of discomfort. Sometimes it feels like your body is simply refusing to let go of that extra fluid. But here's where the magic of Epsom salt and baking soda comes in. This mixture has a unique ability to help your body release that excess water. The Epsom salt, rich in magnesium sulfate, works wonders by drawing out the fluids that cause swelling. You see, when you apply it to your skin, it encourages your body to release trapped fluids through osmosis, which helps reduce the swelling and puffiness. Baking soda, on the other hand, helps soothe the skin and reduce any inflammation that might be contributing to the problem. For those dealing with fluid retention in the legs, feet, or hands, this remedy can feel like a breath of fresh air. Imagine coming home after a long day of standing or walking with your feet swollen and heavy. Simply soaking your feet or rubbing this mixture on your legs can start to relieve that pressure. The swelling gradually goes down, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. But don't just think of it as a quick fix for tired legs. If you experience bloating or puffiness due to water retention, this remedy can also be helpful when applied to areas where the body tends to hold onto fluids, like your abdomen or even your arms. By gently massaging the mixture into these areas, you help stimulate circulation, which in turn helps the body flush out the excess water and reduce the bloated feeling. A friend of mine, who often dealt with swollen ankles after long flights, swore by this remedy. After using it regularly, she noticed that not only did the swelling go down faster, but her legs felt lighter, and she experienced much less discomfort. It's such a simple routine, but one that can make a real difference when your body needs that extra push to let go of unnecessary fluids. So the next time you feel that uncomfortable swelling, whether it's from a long day or a temporary condition, try this natural combination. It's a gentle, effective way to help your body find balance again, and you'll feel the relief as the bloating fades and your body feels restored, boosting circulation. Now, my friend, let's talk about something that often goes unnoticed: our circulation. You might not think about it much, but good blood flow is essential for keeping your body energized and healthy. When blood circulation slows down, especially in areas like the legs and feet, it can leave you feeling heavy, sluggish, and even cold at times. The beauty of Epsom salt and baking soda lies in how they help stimulate circulation naturally. When you apply this mixture to your skin, particularly on your legs and feet, it helps to open up your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. The magnesium in Epsom salt is particularly effective in improving circulation by relaxing your blood vessels, which encourages better blood flow. This can be especially beneficial if you've been sitting for long periods or standing all day, both of which can cause blood to pool in your legs. By gently massaging the mixture into your skin, you help activate your circulation, which in turn brings fresh oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and tissues. The best part is, you don't need to make this a complicated process. You simply rub the mixture onto your legs and feet, focusing on areas that feel tight or tired. As you massage it in, you'll feel warmth spreading, and that's your circulation starting to improve. Not only will your legs feel lighter, but you'll also notice a sense of overall vitality as your blood starts flowing smoothly again. Relief for tired feet. Now, let's be honest, after a long day, it's often our feet that bear the brunt of the work. Whether you've been on your feet for hours or walking around all day, that tired, achy feeling can settle in, making every step a chore. But here's where Epsom salt and baking soda can truly shine, offering your feet the relief they desperately need. Imagine coming home, kicking off your shoes, and preparing a warm soak for your feet. Add a generous amount of Epsom salt and a bit of baking soda to the water, and as you dip your feet in, you'll feel the tension melt away almost immediately. The minerals in the Epsom salt help reduce swelling, while the baking soda soothes any irritation or soreness. It's like giving your feet a mini spa treatment right at home. The combination not only relaxes tired muscles, but also works wonders in softening the skin and improving the overall health of your feet. If you've been dealing with foot pain or just general fatigue, soaking your feet in this mixture for about 15-20 minutes can provide instant relief. The warm water helps to further boost circulation, carrying away the discomfort and leaving your feet feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. I've heard from countless people who swear by this simple remedy for easing the pain and pressure that builds up in their feet after a long day. It's one of those little acts of self-care that can make a huge difference in how you feel. By the time you lift your feet out of the water, they'll feel lighter, softer, and ready to take on the next day. So, if your feet are ever begging for a break, this is the perfect way to give them the care they deserve. Relieving headaches. Headaches, especially the ones caused by tension and stress, can be relentless. But here's something simple you can do, my friend. Epsom salt and baking soda can offer quick relief when applied to specific points on your head. By gently massaging this mixture onto areas like your temples, the back of your neck, and just above your eyebrows, you can help relax the muscles that are contributing to that throbbing pain. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps to ease muscle tension, while the soothing properties of baking soda calm the skin and reduce inflammation. This combination works like a natural relaxant for the muscles and nerves around your head, easing the pressure that's often the root of the headache. After a few minutes of massaging these key points, you'll start to feel the tension melt away, allowing you to breathe easier and think clearer. It's a simple remedy, but it can make all the difference when you need faster, gentle relief from a headache. Relaxing muscles and promoting blood flow. You know, after a long and tiring day, or even after pushing yourself through a tough workout, your muscles can feel tight and achy. That's when a simple mix of Epsom salt and baking soda can work wonders. It's not just about soothing the surface. This combination actually goes deeper, helping to relax your muscles and improve blood flow. When you gently rub this mixture onto your body, particularly over areas like your shoulders, back, or legs, the magnesium in the Epsom salt absorbs through your skin. It works to relax the muscles, reduce inflammation, and ease tension. At the same time, the baking soda helps calm the skin and makes the massage feel even smoother. For the best results, focus on the spots where you feel the most tension: your neck, shoulders, lower back, or calves. As you massage it in, you'll start to feel the warmth spreading, which means your blood flow is improving. Better circulation means more oxygen to your muscles, helping them recover faster and making you feel refreshed. After just a few minutes, you'll feel the stress and soreness begin to melt away, leaving you in a state of calm and relaxation. It's a simple routine, but trust me, it can make a world of difference after a demanding day. Your muscles will thank you. Soothing relief for achy joints. My friend, joint pain, whether from arthritis, rheumatism, or just the wear and tear of life, can make even the simplest tasks feel difficult. But there's something natural and soothing that can help. This blend of Epsom salt and baking soda, when applied to sore joints, can offer real relief. You see, the magnesium in Epsom salt helps reduce inflammation, which is often the source of the pain in conditions like arthritis. By massaging this mixture gently into the affected joints, whether it's your knees, elbows, or fingers, it works to not only ease the pain, but also reduce swelling. The baking soda enhances the calming effect, making the skin feel soothed, while allowing the Epsom salt to do its job. Over time, with regular use, you'll notice those stiff, swollen joints feeling more mobile and less painful. It's a simple, natural way to support your joints and manage the discomfort that comes with them. Scar and skin crack treatment. Now let's talk about something that many of us deal with: scars and cracked skin. Old scars from injuries or surgeries, and those tough, dry patches that crack, especially on our hands or heels. Regular use of Epsom salt and baking soda can really make a difference in softening these areas and reducing the appearance of scars. When you massage this mixture onto the skin, the gentle exfoliating action helps remove dead skin cells, encouraging new, healthy skin to regenerate. Over time, this helps to fade scars and smooth out cracked skin. The baking soda works as a natural softener, helping to heal those deep skin cracks, while the magnesium in Epsom salt nourishes and rejuvenates the skin. By making this a regular part of your routine, those old scars and cracks can start to diminish, leaving your skin looking healthier and feeling softer. It's a small habit that, with consistency, can bring noticeable results. While these natural remedies can offer relief and support, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before trying anything new, especially if you have a medical condition or are on medication. My dear friend, simple natural ways to ease those aches, pains, and skin troubles that life throws our way. I hope you give these remedies a try and find the same relief many others have experienced. And remember, if you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your loved ones on WhatsApp so we can all enjoy better health together.